Hi, and welcome to our Enex.space guides. Today we will show you how our decentralized exchanges works. First of all, click on Launch App. Click on Connect. Select your Enecuum wallet. Unlock your wallet. After you connected your wallet, be sure you have Pulse Network active. Click on the Enecuum extension. Select Networks, select Pulse, and go back. To access ETM, you can click ETM in Enex.space sidebar. ETM is standing for Enecuum Token Machine. At ETM, you can easily issue custom tokens to be deployed on the Enecuum blockchain. Token types and parameters. You can create tokens of the following 3 types on Enecuum. Reissuable, a token with a flexible supply. That is, after the initial release, the supply can be increased/minted or decreased/burned. There is no maximum token supply restriction. Non-reissuable, a token with a fixed supply. That is, after the initial release, the amount of tokens cannot be changed. Mineable, a token that, once released with an initial supply, can be mined by users until the maximum token supply cap is reached or the mining period has ended. The common parameters for all types of tokens are as follows. Ticker, short name of the token, comprising 3 or a few more letters. It will be displayed in most places on Enex.space. Name, full name of the token, token type. One of the 3 token types described above: reissuable, non-reissuable, or mineable. Emission, total token emission volume, decimals, decimal points, allowing, fee type, transaction fee type, and tokens in which the transaction fee is charged. Flat, a fixed fee paid out to the token's issuer in reward tokens. Percentage, a fee calculated as a percentage of the transaction sum paid out to the token's issuer in reward tokens. In addition, you can set the minimum fee. For example, the fee shall be 0.5% of the transaction sum, but no less than 1 token. Native, a fixed fee paid out to the token's issuer in the network's native tokens. Fee amount, nominated in the tokens defined by the fee type setting. Mineable tokens have a number of additional parameters. Premin, the initial supply of tokens once your token is created. Maximum supply, the maximum token emission. Once reached, no new tokens can be mined. Block reward, the reward for each mined macro block, including the referral reward. Mining period, period in days since the issuing of the token when the mining can take place. Minimum stake, a minimum balance a user must possess in order to start mining. Stake to start mining. Note that it must be less of equal to the refer stake. Refer stake, a minimum balance a user must possess in order to become a referral agent. Having become a referral agent, the user can share the code with other prospective miners' referrals and then receive rewards for blocks mined by those other miners. This system creates passive income. Referral share, the share of the total block reward that is equally distributed between the referral agent and its referral. Issuing non-mineable reissuable or non-reissuable tokens. To issue a non-mineable token, click the ETM in the Enex.space sidebar. The following page opens. Fill in the token's parameters and click Issue Token. You will be taken to the confirmation page, listing the properties of the token. Click Confirm Supply to proceed. The Enecuum Wallet app window opens to confirm the payment of the fee for the token's creation. Click Confirm to proceed. Once the token is created, the initial ETM view is restored. You can view the newly created token's properties by going to Blockchain Explorer's Wallet View and clicking on the token's name under Token Balance. Issuing mineable tokens. To issue a mineable token, click ETM in the Enex.space sidebar and select Mineable Token type. The following page appears. Fill in the token's parameters and click Issue Token. You will be taken to the confirmation page, listing the properties of the token. Click Confirm Supply to proceed. The Enecuum Wallet app window opens to confirm the payment of the fee for the token's creation. Click Confirm to proceed. Once the token is created, the initial ETM view is restored. You can view the newly created token's properties by going to Blockchain Explorer's Wallet View and clicking on the token's name under Token Balance. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.